स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नक्षत्रो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। The Swasti mantra is a very powerful chant to bless and heal the world. You don't know the power of your word because you don't respect the word. You don't know its power. When you recite the Swasti mantra, you bless the whole world and you have the responsibility to restore your integrity, which blesses the world. You are responsible and you have the right, both. The way in which you experience miracles begins with the Swasti mantra. This mantra constantly makes the cosmos respond to you in a completely supporting way. Chant the Swasti mantra sincerely. This can show you tremendous magic in your life. Listen to this very carefully. When you do good to the world does good to you. Chant the Swasti mantra with all your heart and declare, let the world have auspiciousness. Declare that the world have auspiciousness. Let the world have auspiciousness. When so many people who practice integrity declare this together, imagine what its power will be. Just this Swasti mantra can be a powerful completion for whatever wounds you have received from society and other people. The Swasti mantra is a completion declaration. If you understand this very carefully, is a completion declaration. I complete with the world and I declare, let the world be auspicious. Let all the good things happen to the world. Understand this very carefully. Bring integrity into everything. When you make the intention, just the intention, let the world be blissful. Let the world be blissful. The first thing that happens is that your world becomes blissful. It goes on expanding on a subtle level. Understand? The benefit is for you. You are the first person whose world becomes blissful with this one integrated thought of let the world be blissful. The first person being blissful will be you. Understand? Anger is the acid that destroys the container more than the object on which it is poured. The Swasti mantra heals anger. It completely seals and protects your container, and you become the pure space from which continuous completion functions. Understand this very carefully. Take your time to digest what I am saying. As long as you live the four tattvas, understand, four tattvas, life happens to you. When you slack, yogo nashta pranaptaha happens. Yogo nashta pranapaha. It means that yoga is lost in the course of time. This is what happens when you start to lack integrity or fall into irresponsibility and selfishness. When you live with integrity, weeding out your own negativities, blessing the world literally becomes a reality. Listen, understand, by chanting the Swasti mantra, you can bring rain. If you chant the Swasti mantra every day, your company will prosper. Because you carry the auspicious aura. What happens when you carry this auspicious aura in you? When you go and, for example, when you go and sit in the chair of CEO's chair, the whole company will have the ambience. That ambience. Wherever you go, you are going to be carrying this auspiciousness. You will also be radiating it at the same time. You will be a moving auspiciousness. Understand? When the Swasti mantra is chanted, all the people who are sitting with us are connected, and we vibrate with the highest cosmic auspiciousness of Shiva. In the highest frequency of Shiva, if you are integrated with puja, miracles should continuously happen in your life. You will not lack wealth because the Swasti mantra is such a powerful mantra. When you bless the world with integrity, the world blesses you with integrity. Integrity is the foundation. Understand? Integrity is the foundation. Authenticity is the building. And responsibility is the roof. And enriching is the flag. I am committing with all of you. I am going to continuously talk about these 4 principles and make sure that at least a critical mass starts living it. I have decided that I am not going to give up on me and on others. Till the end, I will sing the same song of integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. But I am going to make it. I am going to make human beings. I bless you all. Thank you for attending.